Is the Coolizi Cooling Ace really the revolutionary portable air cooler it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed gadget playing on summer desperation? According to the company, this device can drop the surrounding temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 seconds, runs almost silently, saves electricity, and works anywhere from your office desk to your bedroom, car, or RV. With 7,796 glowing reviews and bold promises, it sounds like a dream come true for anyone trying to beat the heat without cranking up the AC bill. But once you dig beneath the surface, things start to look questionable. The official website bombards you with high-pressure sales tactics, including fake timers, pop-up discounts, and exaggerated urgency to make you feel like you're about to miss out. Despite the flashy claims, key technical details like battery capacity, real cooling coverage, runtime, and exact energy usage are nowhere to be found. That's a major red flag for anyone who wants to make an informed decision. The reviews, although plenty, seem suspicious. Many use the same vague phrases and over-the-top praise that doesn't reflect real-world experience. There's no real video evidence or third-party testing to back the impressive claims either, which makes you wonder how effective it really is beyond clever product descriptions. We're not saying it's completely fake or useless. It may provide some cooling in very close proximity, but don't expect it to replace a real air conditioner or drastically change your indoor climate. If you're thinking of buying it, the purchase link is tagged in this video for your convenience, but make sure to watch this full review before you spend your money. This video gives you all the facts without hype so you can decide if the Coolizi Cooling Ace is a smart buy or just another summer scam disguised as a solution.